By 4 Shop, today we install our 10.25-inch Android screen in an Audi S5 that it didn't come with backup camera. We did the trunk handle replacement camera and we installed our Android screen. As you can see, it mounted perfectly fine on the factory spot of the 7-inch screen, and there is no gap, all covered by the bracket. The hazard light is retained, and also the airbag connection, if you have it, it has to stay behind the screen. You have to connect it back to the factory harness and leave it behind the screen. This is the USB dongle. Right now I'm doing Android Auto. Before I show you, we did the Apple CarPlay, so this time I'm showing you the Android Auto. So you can use Android Auto or Apple CarPlay with that USB dongle. This specific Audi, it's manual transmission, so our unit, it's fine even with the manual transmission. So you can use the backup camera with the manual transmission as well. As you see in the reverse, we have the picture of the back. By going back to neutral, it goes back to the Android Auto. And same as the other units that we already show you, that's the Android menu. You can scroll by touch, and also you can go back to the factory MMI, and by touching the screen you go back to the aftermarket. And to have the sound from our unit, you need to connect the AMI auxiliary to your AMI box, which is located in the glove compartment. And all the apps are here. You can share the data from your phone to the screen. And trip computer is here. An offline map is installed too. Right now I'm inside, it's indoors, so I don't have any reception for GPS antenna. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294 and book an appointment for your installation. Thank you and have a great day.